Tired of manually tracking attendance in your Google Meet sessions? Google Meet has a built-in attendance tracking feature that lets you see exactly who attended your meeting and for how long, but finding it can be a little tricky. Don't worry, I'm here to show you exactly where to find it. This feature is only available to meeting organizers. During your Google Meet session, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a set of icons. Click on the one that looks like a triangle, a circle, and a square all connected. This is the activity icon. A small menu will pop up. In that menu, you should see an option labeled Attendance Tracking. Click on it to turn the feature on during your live meeting. Once selected, attendance tracking will automatically begin collecting data. Google Meet will generate an attendance report that you can download after the meeting ends. Once you have ended the Google Meet call, navigate back to your Google Calendar. Find the meeting you just held in your Google Calendar. Click on the event to open its details. In the event details, scroll down until you see the attachment section. Here, you will find a CSV file. The file name will include your meeting title followed by attendance report. Click on the CSV file to download and open the file. With a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, you'll see a neatly organized report with participant names, email addresses, join times, and leave times. Now you've got all the details you need for your attendance records. Happy meeting!